Righty, so this is what we're dealing with. So at the shop, whatever, we already cut down 4 of the pieces. So those ones are already cut to size. So I should be able to make the rectangles out of those. And then with these, I can make all the uprights and make it all sturdy and stuff. Got those brackets to put in the corners. Yeah, so we're going to try and hopefully be able to take these seats out with the nutfucker. Should be able to. I don't know why we shouldn't, but I just really hope we can get it up in there and crack them and get them out. But I'm here, get the seat out and then you do everything out and then we should be able to get this thing going. After a quick mishap with the nutfucker, because we cannot undo these bolts, had just shot down the gamma and picked this up a young little socket set, which is pretty good. It was like 16 euros. So this goes up to 21 mil. So that's pretty not bad. Starts at a 10 mil or 7 mil even, so that's all good. Not bad. So I'm gonna take these seats out now and then we should be able to start building this frame and stuff, put it in there, and then we can start getting our idea on how it's all gonna work and everything. I don't think I updated, but this fucking shitty ass piece of shit socket set literally just stripped first try. So I'm gonna take that back tomorrow and yeah, get a new one of those and hopefully don't strip another one getting it out. And we'll just get a refund and just maybe go get a 14 mil. I think they're both 14s, yeah, so I might just get a 14 mil in a race, so I don't know. Anyway, made the circle and stuff. I made the first square, but again, I can't put it down because the seats are all in the way, so I don't know, should be out. I'll update you guys tomorrow, but it's probably just another day in ravdog's life, eh? I'll park this thing up and I'll say the same in the week. So, yeah, well, that's all packed up and kind of away. Saying in the week is just believe in yourself, people. Like, I definitely wouldn't think that me 3 years ago, 2 years ago, even thinking that time frame, like I would not have thought that I would be in Amsterdam buying a car, making proper YouTube videos. Like, manifestation is such a real thing. Just believe in yourself. Honestly, people can do, like I said before, people can do fucking backflips on wheelchairs. Why can't you do anything that goes up on your head? Like, honestly, anything's doable. As long as you think about it enough, make it your priority, you'll get there, mate. Stay you, stay beautiful, say that king where you are, baby. Because that's the best way. Yeah. Footage yesterday to make that a full video. But today, we're back to this little demio thing today. I got the little half little square in there now. Imagination pointing and blabbing before didn't really make sense. This is what I mean. So yeah, just gonna get them like that. I don't know, I don't really know how well the nail's gonna hold. I might make it a little bit higher and just put these at the bottom, like right underneath it. So I'm not trusting the nails because they're real small and they're dodgy. Don't worry about my work, mate, alright? Just fucking, we'll get it done. Yeah, so I just put brackets on each side, so it's like pretty sturdy now, and it's like fits in there absolutely mint both sides, so it's gonna be half sturdy that way. But then yeah, so I'm just gonna make like a little sliding tray, so make something that goes down here that has like just a piece of wood here that slides out. And then have all the, so obviously when we open the doors too, that's where we can put all the stuff under, slide everything under the here, like the tent, all that stuff can sit under here. Then since there's space, I'll show you, since there's space, like once the seat's out, seat's gonna be gone, there's gonna be all the footwell space, put the chili bin there, and I'm gonna get some brackets and make like another little rectangle to go in there, so when we're driving, I can just put the brackets up, fold this bit up, put it on top, and then we have all that space there to put our seats back, have fun, whatever, and then when we park up, this can just fold down, bang, and then that's the rest of the bed bit, and then we can just blow the bed up and everything, take all the stuff out the sides, and yeah, got our water and everything, heaps of space under there now, so I think that's going to be high enough, and we still got heaps of space that we can have fun. Ravdog can actually like half sit up, whatever, you can see out the windows. But yeah, it's pretty much, you're just going to steady it all up with all 4 of these legs and stuff, put it all in there, and then work on making that other rectangle bit and trying to get the seats out, because the socket set that I bought fucked out, and we also went this morning to another socket set and did the exact same thing. So anyway, so yeah, I've texted Sergey and hopefully he's going to come back with something, so I'll let you know once I get on that. But I'm going to start tightening all these, fasten all these motherfuckers up, make it all nice, and then I'll update you. This is what I got so far, just like tacking everything in there, so I can pretty much, I want to tack it all up to make sure I can still lift it up and then still get it out this back door, so I don't fucking make everything strong as and I can't even get the thing back out. Yeah, you can see how much pressure's in there. It's a bit warped, so if I can whack that one in there perfectly, put these legs underneath that, so it's going to be mega support there, strong as. I'm probably going to cut all these ones to fit under here, so they'll all just sit. So I don't know how I feel about that though. I don't know how I feel about that. I might just cut them a little bit so I can whack some to the top and into there. I don't know. Nah, I should be right. Nah, you should be right. Yeah. Yeah, no, yeah, so I'm gonna cut these all to flat and then put them under here, and I'm just gonna put like a nail in each side, boom, boom, just all going up. Because once it's in there, it should be sweet. Doesn't like, it's not gonna move around. It's not gonna be wobbly or anything, as long as they sit and stay in the same place. So yeah, I'm gonna cut all these to flush now, and then yeah, nail them all in, and then see if I can take it in and out. Alright, so yeah, cut them all to length now. They're all sweet. I've just put corner brackets on most of all 4 of them, kind of thing. So they should all stay there on those 4. Bang, bang, boom. So I'm probably just gonna take it out of the car now, slap some more nails in it, make it super sturdy, and then hopefully we can just slip it straight back in. And then once it's slipped in, we can focus on either doing the cross braces to make more bedding, whatever, or doing that front little intersection at the front. Alright, so we're just back at the Gamma. Just swiped me some of this piece of wood here. So it's going to be our perfect board over there, little gaps each side, but that's fine, the mattress will cover it. And then going to use this bit for that front bit up there. And yeah, obviously it'll just have a couple of gaps to the side, but it doesn't really matter because the mattress is just going straight over it. But yeah, it's pretty much just going to put this in, whack that in, and then maybe get some more wood, and then go get a 14mm ring spanner from there, and hopefully I can just smack it up with a ring spanner. Hey, so we are all absolutely loaded up, got heaps of wood now. We really probably should just use all of this wood, but at least it's like mean as now. I can take it in and out, hopefully. Plan. I'm gonna go back home, take that back seat out because we've got a 14mm ring spanner as well. Yes, go take that back home, and then we should be able to, yeah, make that other box section, front behind the seats, and then we'll be fucking banging out. Ready to fucking go tomorrow, probably. I don't know. When are we gonna go?
Yeah, tomorrow, surely.
Something like that.
Sure.
Alrighty, she's coming along. So yeah, I just put 2 strips down the side, and this one in the middle, and obviously this one. Lift this one up, fully take this one out, just put some blocks in there to hold them from moving around, and we get into there, get all storage, everything. Yeah, mint has. So pretty much the back bit done. I just need to make something to slide a bit of wood out of here, so something like a bracket or something that slides out of here pretty much, so we can put the gas cooker on there. Sit here, you know, gas cooker out there, cook your food, sweet as. Yeah, so I'm going to try and hopefully get the seats out with that 14mm spanner on them right now, and then we can work on making that front little rectangle, and then that's going to just fold up onto here when we can drive, so we can get all the space all the way back, heaps comfortable, and then yeah, when we park, put the seats all the way forward and then flop it back down. So that's that part all done. Just rip the seat out, super easy, just 2 bolts. I'm gonna put them back in. Anyone that takes seats out of a car, honestly, and just puts the bolts somewhere or just puts them down, like I remember, why would you ever do that? If you can screw the bolt back into where it came from, fucking do it, put it there. Like, it's not gonna go anywhere, and you know that bolt goes there. It's honestly one of the most smartest things I've ever learned in my lifetime. Never lose your bolt if you put it back to where it goes. And then also just the fact that if you take like 10 million off, then you know where every one goes, because you just have to take it off from where you took it off from, you know, like bang. Well, put it on from where you took it off from. Just like that. Just nip them up with your hand, beautiful. They ain't gonna come out. Flip that bitch back in there, put the other 2 bolts in, and then we're gonna start making the little ones that go in there, extend it. Big old bed, baby. Hey, just showing you the progress. But yeah, that's pretty much how we're gonna have it. Pretty much, yo. So if we want to like put anything in there, could probably make something to grab that with. But boom, you know, put your shit in, your tents, fucking water things, fucking your gas cooker, whatever. And I need to make the little thing that comes out here still, but there's that. And up here, I'm gonna get. It's gonna sit like that. I'm gonna get a bracket from here to there, and there to there, and then I'm gonna nail this to this piece of wood here. And that whole thing's just gonna bang. It's gonna fold up with obviously this piece of wood nailed to it. I'm gonna cut it to size as well, nailed to it, and then this piece, so you can just pick it up, put it at the back out of the way, or even just sit it there, and all the seats can come all the way back. And she's sweet. So should just fold down. It can sit on these nails for extra support there, but it's already like fully to that. Plus has this as well. So yeah, mate, I reckon we're primo. That'll work. Hey, you fucking like this one, G? Hey, you like that, G? Just gotta get some brackets for that, cousin. And we'll fucking be able to fold that bitch up, put that back, put the seats all the way back for comfort driving. Bruv, if I could lie the whole way down, a ravdog could lie down in a demio. Full comfortable, we're fucking on. Right, now I've started doing the outside, I realised I don't even really need to put the the brackets here to fold it up. I can literally just have it there. I'll show you what I did at the end, but it packs up Montez. So yeah, I'm gonna try and make this now, make a little tray. So I'll probably get a block of wood to go down here, and then a little edge that comes out, and then just a piece of wood can just slide through that. Yeah, so then the gas cooker can just sit on that. I don't even know if I'm gonna need pillows. It's just perfect. Take the take the headrest off, my brother. Nice. But yo, ravdog seems like I can actually fit in here with door closed and everything. Lie down. Main goal that still have space, can like, you know, put stuff under here, still can grab them. Have a cold drink and maybe my smokes and my bug sitting right there. The cup holders are still right there, so we can actually have our drinks that, you know, might spill, put them right there, can still grab them. Beautiful, mate. Reliable windies, mate, so whenever you want a window down, you just wind it down. Look, sweet ass, wind it straight back up. Mate, I tell ya, living the dream. Living the dream. And a finished table as well. So pretty much how it's gonna be is, take this off here, put them down there, table in there. Whenever I want something like the gas cooker, all of our clothes, pick it up. You know, we can access absolutely everything and through the doors or whatever. So yeah, I'd grab the gas cooker, put the gas cooker down, put that back in there. This will just be sitting in there probably somewhere. I can just pick it up, wait till it hits the stop that I put back there. Just bingo bango, schmango, 2 little rails, bit dodgy, but I mean, hey, works well. Nice and fucking sturdy, mate. Fits this thing absolutely perfect, just like that, mate. So I can sit here in the morning, pour my coffees, fucking, you know, cook my breakfast here, have a smoke here, have a wank, do it all, can do it all. But yeah, just super keen. That's pretty much it, done now. I'm gonna, if she's still sleeping, then I'm gonna go to the wash world, give it a mean rinse on the inside, give it another wash on the outside, and just make it all mint. And then, yeah, come back, load everything up, and yeah, probably maybe get on the road tomorrow, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Yeah. Ooh, fucking mental. Beautiful. Hi. Hi. Hi, cousin. Hi. Ooh. Hi. Oh yeah, space, mate. Seats back. We're cruising. We are cruising. Alrighty, just packed up all that shit there. I actually don't know what we're supposed to do with that, but anyway, give you a quick look, eh? Packed it right up, absolutely loaded it. So yeah, we're still gonna do a couple things tomorrow. Still gonna get my license from the post shop. Get some more marijuana, get enough for us to go, maybe some of those pills. And, yeah, we should be ready to go, but let's put you up. Look at that. Chairs, everything loaded up, got a sink. I also need to get a pan and stuff tomorrow too, but that's pretty much what I mean. All that, so we can put all the space in there, absolutely. Chocolate block, still heaps of space. Chocolate block with stuff. Chili bin can chill there, hopefully. And yeah, fucking A, ready to go. I'll put the actual structural bit underneath there too, so we've got heaps of space by the seats. But fuck yeah, she's ready to go. She just maybe scrabble some of that stuff off it, but she's primo, brah. Ready to go, brah. Ready to go, brah. Alright. It's probably just another day in ravdog's life, eh? Remember saying the week is just fucking believe in yourself, eh? Honestly, someone else can do it, so the fucking you. Like, if there's people in wheelchairs that do backflips and people that honestly just, I don't know, people with no limbs at all, and they do the most craziest shit. Honestly, if you put your mind to it, you can do it. Manifestation's a real thing. If you think about something 24/7, you wake up, you think about it, make 3 things that you want to get done in the next fucking 3 weeks, you know? I mean, in the next 3 months and or 6 months or something, you know, make yourself a time frame, make goals. Manifestation, 100%. Make 3 things you want to fucking think about. No, that 100% will come true. Steve been also the fucking way out, baby.
Yeah, the best way. Fucking 60 euros for that good old fucking hash fucking rock there, mate. Hey? It's like $12, cuz. $12, cuz. Nice big old rock of hash, mate. Nice big old rock of hash. How good. How good. How good.